In today's video, I'm gonna share with you all some holy hacks that's gonna help you protect your skin, hair and nails. Hey my loves, welcome back. If you're new here, hi, I'm Indu and I make content on beauty and lifestyle. Okay, so I have divided these holy hacks into two parts, that is pre-care and post-care. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Alright, so the first and the foremost tip is to protect your skin, and how you can protect your skin is by simply applying oil all over your body and also on your face as well. Now for body you can use coconut oil, but obviously you cannot use coconut oil on your face because it is comedogenic and it can clog up your pores. So in that case you can replace it with almond oil or normal baby oil. Those are non-comedogenic, so it won't clog up your pores and also protect your skin from the harsh chemicals of the holy colors. What it will do is it will create like a protective layer on top of your skin and protect your skin. One more thing that you could do is to wear full sleeve clothes, so it will provide like that double protection from the holy colors and prevent your skin from getting damaged. Also, don't forget to wear sunscreen because you are going to be staying outdoors all day long. Although you are not going to be getting चांस टू रीअप्लाई योर सनस्क्रीन, लेकिन एक मेंटल सेटिस्फैक्शन के लिए एटलीस्ट एक बार तो सनस्क्रीन लगा ही लेना. नाउ दैट यू हैव प्रोटेक्टेड योर स्किन, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू आवर हेयर, राइट? सो फॉर दैट अगेन व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज अप्लाई लाइक अ वेरी गुड generous amount of oil all over your scalp, on your lens and especially on the ends of your hair, because होली के कलर्स की वजह से वैसे भी हम लोग की हेयर बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई हो जाती है, एंड इन ऑर्डर टू रिमूव द कलर फ्रॉम योर hair you tend to shampoo your hair a lot, so it's better to take a precaution, like you know what, precaution is better than cure. So yeah, one more thing, applying oil will again prevent the colors from getting into the scalp and damaging the hair as well. Also try to tie up your hair really well. खुला बाल छोड़ के मत जाना, क्योंकि जितना कलर हेयर में लगेगा, जितना कलर स्कैल्प में लगेगा, उतना ज़्यादा डैमेज होगा. सो इट्स बेटर टू कोई भी like make a French braid or make a bun, go crazy with hairstyles, but the only thing that you need to keep in mind is make sure that your hair is not open. And also one more thing that you could do is apply a scarf, tie up a scarf on your head, so it will prevent the colors from getting into the scalp and damaging your scalp again. स्किन और हेयर के बाद सबसे ज़्यादा जो पोर्शन अफेक्टेड होता है फ्रॉम द होली कलर्स इज़ आर नेल्स. सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज़, इफ़ यू हैव लॉन्ग नेल्स लाइक माइन, यू कैन ऑल्सो ट्रिम इट, or if you don't want to sacrifice your nails just for playing Holi, what you can do is firstly apply like 2 to 3 coats of a dark colored nail polish. It can be any nail polish, and also apply it like inside of the nails, and once you are done applying the nail polish, just apply like a thick layer of Vaseline all over your nails, especially on these like nail beds and also inside the nails, so that way it will protect your nails and the cuticles from getting stained from the holy colors. Alright, होली खेलना तो हो गया है, अब आप घर आ गए हो, and now you're wondering how to remove all of that holy colors from your scalp and also from the body. Now I'm gonna start off from the hair. What you need to do is first of all just dust off the dry colors. Don't use any water at first, just dust off the dry colors and then just rinse off your hair with normal water. And once you are done rinsing off your hair, just apply like a hair pack. Just take little bit of besan, little bit of dahi and mix it up and apply it all over your scalp and on the lens as well. Just leave it there for 30 minutes and then use शैम्पू. पहले ही अगर शैम्पू यूज़ कर लोगे तो बहुत ज़्यादा शैम्पू यूज़ करना पड़ेगा, और जितना शैम्पू यूज़ करोगे उतना हेयर डैमेज हो जाएगा और फिर जाके हेयर स्पा लेना पड़ेगा और ज़्यादा हेयर केयर करना पड़ेगा. सो उससे अच्छा है कि पहले ही हेयर केयर कर लो. Now when it comes to skin, you're gonna do the same thing. Dust off the dry colors first, rinse it off and apply a little bit of oil in a cotton pad, and then just wipe off gently all over your skin. Now for face, I would suggest you use like a oil based micellar water. That will help to remove the colors really easily, and then you are not gonna be using like a lot of soaps all over your body and your face. Now once you're done removing the colors with the oil and also with the micellar water, just apply a little bit of Upton and massage all over your body and skin, and once you are done massaging, just rinse it off. And I don't think after doing this step you would need to use like additional soaps. In case you have developed rashes all over your skin, what you need to do, just apply cold aloe vera gel. Keep aloe vera gel in the refrigerator and then just use that on the rash. It will soothe down that rash. Now few additional hacks that I would suggest you guys is to, these are not actually hacks, I would say these are some safety precautions. Try not to wear expensive jewelry, otherwise it can get lost or kharab bhi ho sakta hai, so it's better not to wear expensive jewelries. Also if you wear contact lenses, avoid wearing it on the day of Holi because it will damage your eyes and it will cause irritation. And also if you have any cuts or wounds anywhere on your body, just apply a band-aid all over that place, because if by chance color just gets into your cut or wound, it will cause irritation and also may lead to infections. And yes, with that being said, we have come to an end of the video. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, then you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, and yes, I'll see you guys in my next one. Have a very safe and happy Holi. Bye.